Hi and welcome back. In the last video we looked at creating our own auto layout presets. If you missed that video, just scoot on back and bring yourself up to speed. In this video we're going to delve into how we can further customize the individual page layouts. So let's get on with it. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Okay, so now we've got a book that's well on the way. The auto layout preset that we made looks good, but we might need to customize one or two of the pages a little bit further. Now when you want to customize the way one of the pages looks, all you do is click on that page. So we'll say click on that one, and you'll notice that an area is highlighted in yellow showing that this is the page that you're working on. Now there's a little triangle doohickey down here, the change page layout, and it gives you access to more. So if I click on that, you can see that I've got access now to more different types of page layouts. So let's try one. We'll try 4 photos. And then we've got lots of options to choose from on different ways that 4 pictures can be put together on the page. Just for simplicity, we'll try this one at the top and I'll just click on it. And it applies that to that page. You can see now we've got 4 images in here. Now if you want to see this larger, you can just double click on the page and it brings it up to full page view. Now down at this bottom corner here, this left hand corner, these are the page view icons. So we've got a single page view, which we're in at the moment. We've got a spread view which shows you the 2 pages, and we've got the multi-page view that shows you everything. Now these little grey areas in here, these are the placeholders, and these are where we drag and drop our images into. Well, after seeing this larger, I've decided it's not really what I want. Now to change it, we can either go back to this little triangle doohickey here and choose another option, or we can make the same change by navigating by going across here to the page panel. If you open up the page panel and click on the little triangle, we get exactly the same set of options. So you can do it from here or you can do it from the page itself. And like I say, these are the placeholders, so if I want an image in there, I just click on the film strip, drag it and drop it, and it drops it into that position. Like I said, the yellow border around it tells you that this is the active cell. Now if I click on one of the cells, here I've got this little image here, then you get a zoom slider appear. And if you drag that, we can zoom in and we can zoom out. And if you are zoomed in, by clicking and dragging on the image, you can actually reposition it within the cell window. I'll just leave it at that. And when we've created this custom layout, we might want to duplicate it. And we can do that by going across to the Add Page button. And if I click on that, it's actually added a page, but we won't see that unless we go back to the multi-layer view. And here you can see now it's duplicated that page layout onto here. So we've got 2. Now what happens if I don't want a page anymore and I want to remove it? Then it's quite easy. We just right click on the page and we select remove page, and there it was, gone. Now if we deselect everything by clicking on this grey area around the outside and we go across and select add page, it'll add it at the end. So if I click on there, it adds it at the end of the book. So I'll just remove that again. But if I click on a page, say here, and I click add page, it'll add a page after that particular web that location that I'm in. So I'll remove that one again. Now having created one of these, I think no, it's not really what I want again. And I might want to change, well, several pages. So I can do that by clicking on a page and then holding the shift key down and clicking on some other page, and you'll see that they all go yellow. And now if I go to the little triangle here and select 2 photos, and we'll say select that one, then you'll see I've now changed the page layout of several pages. And if I want to change the page layout of the whole book, then I can press the control or the command if you're on a Mac and A for select all, and you'll see they all go yellow. And now when I go and select a page type, say I'll go for 3 photos, and we'll say that particular type, so I'll double click on that page layout, you'll see it changes the page layout for the whole book. Now you can navigate between the spreads because your book might contain quite a few images and quite a few pages down here with these little arrows. So if I click to activate one of the pages and I click this arrow, I'll start moving through the pages and I can move back through the pages. Also, I can click in here and say go to page, let's say 3. So I can go to a specific page and it brings me to that page. Well, that's all for the moment on customizing the individual page layouts in a book. I do hope you found that useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment under the video for me. That would be brilliant. And please click that subscribe button at the end and help me grow my Photoshop learning community. And every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.